guys, we're getting ready to go on our nature walk. This is Miss Carpenter. Remember, when you're getting ready to go on your nature walk, to always ask an adult to go with you. You can go in your backyard and look around, or you can look around in the front of your apartment building, anywhere, but be sure you ask an adult, all right? Safety first. This is Miss Carpenter, your teacher, and we are getting ready to go on a nature walk. Yes, we are. We have been using our science tools. We have been learning about our science tools and science. If you had a chance to look at your video, and one of the science tools we're going to use today is binoculars. Yes. You can see far, far away. So we're going to go and we're going to look around today for some things in the nature, and we're going to put them inside our handy basket here, and we're going to collect them and bring them back for class to count. You ready? Let's go. The first thing I notice here are some weeds. I'm going to collect that and I'm going to put those in my basket. They feel really strange. You can use your sense of touch and feel it. Just pluck them right on. I have also found some sticks, and we are learning about the number 5 in math class. And we count out 5 little twigs. Count with me. I found 1 twig, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at this. I have some rocks, y'all. I'm going to be able to pick these rocks up and sort them and count them. I'm super excited. I'm getting ready to put these in my basket for later. I cannot wait. Look at this yellow flower. I found 1 yellow flower. What's that? This is a found a bush with leaves. Let me take some of these off so we can have them for class. Put them in my basket. Yes, indeed. Super excited to count these and to sort them as well. I think we have enough things. Let's get ready to go back in class so we can look at everything we got. You ready? Let's back go. In class, and Miss Carpenter has the things that she got out of her basket, and I have placed them on top of our whiteboard for class. So remember, we had found rocks, some twigs. I picked them off of the bigger portion. I picked up a few, and we have the sticks we counted and some leaves. So we're working with our number 5 today. Everybody say 5. Yes, 5. We do 5. We trace it, go that way, straight line at the top, down in a curve. Yes, awesome. So we have our rocks here, sticks, twigs, and our leaves. So Miss Carpenter wants to, I'm going to count. I want to count out 5 things of each and see if I can. Oh, forgot about a flower. So let's count out 5. So I only want 5 leaves. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had an extra one. Put that one to the side. 5 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I want 5 twigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 5. Move these to the side. And remember, we already counted out our 5 twigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And only have 1 flower. So we're going to put that to the side as well. These are all the things that I found. So you can do so many things with nature. You can create things. We were talking about sorting. So let's think of a way we can sort these. I have an idea. Maybe we can sort them by height. So let's see. Something that's a similar height. Those are the same height. And then we have the twigs. They're smaller. All right. Sort those. And then I have another one. Say those are about almost the same length. See, anything is the same length as the, no, the leaves aren't that long. These are about the same length. All of those are about the same length. The rocks are really small. They're in their own little category. I can almost sort also by color. So we have brown, everything that's brown. Yes, this is another brown. And we have tan things. And these are, both of those are tan, sorted by color. Sort by all different types of things. So I want you to remember, ask for permission, go outside and find some things. You can even create and make things with the things that you have. You make your name. Make an M for the beginning part of Miss Carpenter. See my M? It's coming together. You can do all different things. I want you to be creative, okay? Remember, our number is 5. Say 5 is 5. Bye now.